Hello viewers, in this video Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial, a beginner's step-by-step guide, I will demonstrate how to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account. My name is Hamid Hibwe and I would like to welcome you to Think Creative MW. Affiliate marketing is a technique of making money commissions by promoting and selling a company's product or services. You are only compensated when you make a sale, exactly like a commission-only salesperson. Before I get into affiliate marketing, let me explain why you should be interested. Income that is earned in a passive manner. Isn't that a dream? Make money while you are sleeping. The idea is that you advertise other people's items, usually through an affiliate network in exchange for a commission if others buy as a result of your marketing. It works on the basis of income sharing. If you have a product and want to sell more of it, an affiliate network might provide a cash incentive to promoters. If you don't have a product but want to make money, you can promote one that you think is valuable and earn money as an affiliate marketer. I've mentioned it briefly before, but today I would like to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account. But first, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and notification bell to be notified of all our future videos similar to this one. So let's get started. Now we are on our browser, and then what we'll do, we'll type in sign up Amazon Associates Program. Yeah, and then you take us to this link over here. So we'll click this one. Yeah, and then upon clicking it, this option here will show up, sign up, and then we'll click sign up. Yeah, so it has taken us to this. So we want to create an account. So we'll come to over here, and then we'll type our name here, and then we will put our email address here. So and then the password. Yeah, and then we re-enter the password. Yeah, and then create your Amazon account. So don't update. So verify email address. To verify your email, we have sent a one-time password OTP to this email. So we'll go to the same browser and then go to Gmail. Yeah, so it will take us straight to our inbox. So we'll have to log into this account over here. Yeah, so here it is, Amazon new, verify your new Amazon account. So I'll click this. Yeah, and then here it is. To verify your email address, please use the following one-time password OTP 340. So we'll copy this. And then there's this, do not share this OTP with anyone. So please don't share it because it's for you. And always remember that when we are dealing with this, we are dealing about money. If we create an account and then we start getting commissions, they'll straight be coming to our account. So we can't share that. So create an Amazon account. Yeah, so here we go. It will take us to this step here. Actually, there are 4 steps that we have to follow. So the first one is this one, Payee Name. So we'll type our name here. And then address line. So for me, I'm in Blantyre, so I will just maybe Blantyre. Yeah, and then address line 2, and then I'll just type Chirimba Blantyre. Let me just add my country's name. So it's Malawi here, and then it's Malawi here as well. And then I just leave blank on address line 3, and then I'll click city, which is Blantyre. So for the country, I'm in Malawi here, so it's Malawi over here. So state, province, I will just of course, in my country, we don't use state, we don't use province. So I'll just type southern region, because I'm in the southern part of my country. Zip or postal code, so 417 BT, and then here's Malawi, and then our country code here must be 265 over here, and then I will put my phone number, so it should be 995. So who is the main contact for this account? The payee listed above. Yeah, it must be that. So we click next over here. Yeah, so it will take us to the step number 2. And then what will be done here, your website and mobile apps. Actually enter your website or enter your mobile app. So what is needed here will, if you don't have a website, and I know you are having any social media account, or even you are having a YouTube account, because for me, I'm having a YouTube channel. So now we'll go to the YouTube. Yeah, and then I'll go here, switch accounts, and I'll come to, since I have multiple channels here, I want this one. I'll click that one. Yeah, so we are in that, and then we'll come back to this icon over here, and then we'll go to YouTube Studio, or you can go to your channel, that's okay. It will still take us to the same place that we want to go to, and then I will come to customization over here, and then over here we will go straight to basic info, and then here is the link that we are looking for. So we'll copy all this link here, copy, and then we'll go back, and then we will put it over here, and then we will add, and then I also add a Facebook account. So I have a Facebook account, so we go there. Actually, even if the page doesn't load, but let me, for the sake of you, the viewer, let me show you how to do it, or where you can find your profile link, Facebook profile link, that is. Yeah, okay, so here we are in our Facebook page, and then we come to our icon over here. So it will take us straight to our profile. So this is my profile link. I copy that and then come here and then put it here again and then add. So once that is done, we click next. Yeah, so there's this any of these websites and mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13. These websites and mobile apps are not eligible to display banners, widgets, special links, or other ads from Amazon Associates. You are required to declare this information. So to me, it's no, and then I'll confirm this. Yeah, and then it will take us to step number 3. So here, of course, there are some instructions here. The preferred associate store ID provided be used to automatically create associate store ID. For example, my website might become my website 20, my website dash 20, or my whatsoever here. So I'll put my name actually, because I'm using my name on all these accounts. So let it be Hamid Chibwe, and then what are your websites or mobile apps about? So as for me, it's about content and social. And then we come here, which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps? So there is a primary topic and then a secondary topic. So I choose primary, and then let it be computer software technology, and then the secondary, let it be let me scroll down, social networking sites. Yeah, let me choose that one. And then what type of Amazon items you intend to list on our website or mobile apps? So I'll come to digital downloads, and then I'll choose electronics, and then computer office, books. Yeah, that's fine with me. And then what type are your websites or mobile apps? What type are your website mobile apps. So there's the primary. So for me is content on each, and then secondary I will choose search. Yeah, that should be. And then traffic and monetization. So how do you drive traffic to your website? So to me, mostly social networks. And then if there is also another option, you can tick that. So I can also tick display advertising, because I believe on YouTube, like if your channel is monetized, and then the YouTube guys will display their ads on there. So to me, that sounds to be display advertising. So how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? And then there's select primary, and then Amazon Associates is the only way I monetize my site. And then secondary, commission junction, eBay, other affiliate programs, display. Let me choose display advertising. How do you usually build links? Like if you're having a website, you build links through whether it's a WordPress or whatsoever. So to me, it should be manually via text editor. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? To me, it should be between 5,000 and 50,000. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate Program? To monetize my site. How did you hear about us? To me, it should be online search. And then there's this captcha over here. So that is YDN6FG. And then operating agreement. This is an agreement. You agree with the terms and conditions of associate program operating agreement. So I'll tick this and then click finish. Yeah, so there's this message that everyone is always happy about. Congrats, Michibo, thank you for applying to the Amazon.com associate program. Your unique ID is this. You may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. Your application will be reviewed shortly after you have verified qualified sales to Amazon.com. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associate Central 24 hours a day. If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, yeah, this must be noted. If your affiliate links have not referred qualified sales after 180 days, your application access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. So always note that. If you don't make any sale in less than 180 days, after 180 days, then they will revoke your account. So you have to hustle hard so that you should make any sales and start getting a commission. Don't get left out of the conversation, follow associates. So there is this link. I will just open it in another browser, YouTube in another browser, and then there's LinkedIn, another browser, and then Twitter in another browser. I'll go to that later. So enter your payment tax information. So for my country, tax does not apply, but for the countries like the United States of America, tax apply. So I will just click later. So when I click later, and then it takes me to here. So as you can see over here, there is this associate ID of mine, my unique associate ID, and then account settings, tracking IDs, and sign out. And then there is this getting started message, change language if I want to change my country over here, and then new navigation bar, click on the drop down menus to find more, and then there's get started. So I click get started. Yeah, so here we are. Actually, this is my dashboard, and then there are already messages that I have to read, and then here is my account, and then there's payment history, manage your tracking IDs, and then sign out. So okay, let me go to home. Yeah, so here it is. So this is earnings overview. All the history, all the graphs will be showing here, how much I'm earning, total commissions, total bounties, clicks. If I'm getting anything, will be showing over here. And here are the products that have been recommended for me quickly. And I will show you how we can start. If you want to start copying the links and pasting them, for example, on the YouTube, and recommend people to buy and for you to get the commissions. For example, for The products that are here, there are already an option here. If you click get link, yeah, and then it will take you to this page. And then, for example, if you choose text only, and then there is this large link or a big link, this one, and there's also my ID over here, and this works better for the websites, that you can hide it under maybe a button or whatsoever. And there's also this standard link, and for me I prefer a short link. Actually this just works better with YouTube. Like if I copy there and then like I go to YouTube, and then maybe there's a certain video, for example, if I can go to content over here, and then for example I click this video here, and then there is on the description, and then I want to tell people to I'm recommending people to buy that products, so I'll just paste that link here, so I can put a message over there. If you want to buy so and so, just click this link. So if they buy it through that link, then definitely I'll start getting commissions. So let me go back to home. Yeah, so there is also this option here. If I want to start browsing for products, I can go there, and then I can choose them by categories over here. So for example, I want to go to electronic components and home audio. Like I want to come to cell phones and accessories. So let me go to electronic components, and then it will load. So here are the different components. For example, I want to take this cam. I will just click this get link over here, and then it will do the same method that I showed you last time. And then if you go here on a short link, and then you can share it anyhow that you want. For example, if you want to share it through Facebook, you can type your message here and then paste that link over here, and then if people click that link, then you get the sales. So that's it. That's how we have wrapped up this video of Amazon affiliate marketing tutorial, a beginner step-by-step guide. I was demonstrating to you, starting from the first, how you can create your Amazon affiliate account and start making commissions today. So this was Think Creative YouTube channel. My name is Hamid Chibwe. See you in the next video.